U.S. lawmakers in Tennessee have passed a bill allowing teachers and school staff to carry concealed handguns on school campuses. The legislation mandates training, approval from school officials, and specific requirements like background checks and psychological evaluations. The bill's passage by the Tennessee House and Senate underscores the state's position on gun access in schools, amidst ongoing concerns about gun violence in educational settings. This move aligns with a trend across roughly half of U.S. states, which have enacted laws permitting teachers and school staff to carry concealed firearms on campus, albeit with varying levels of regulation.